This is the highest volcano in Europe. It extends for approximately 1,250 kilometers and reaches a height of 3,350 meters above sea level. For its repeated eruption over the last few years, it can be considered to be one of the most active volcanoes in the world. From its height of 3,350 meters, Mount Etna dominates the island of Sicily. Its three surrounding seas and chips covers the whole Italian Calabria. The last eruption happened in 2002, which has casualty more than 1 million deaths. This is Mount Etna. See you soon. Cheers.